Following the world premiere of the next-generation Astra hatchback in September, Opel has today unveiled the eagerly awaited estate model version, the all-new Astra Sports Tourer. The newcomer will be available with 2 levels of plug-in hybrid electric drive, making it the German carmaker's first electrified estate. With vital statistics of 4,642 mm length, 1,860 width, 1,480 height and a loading height of around 600 mm, the practical new Astra Sports Tourer further strengthens Opel's leading reputation in the estate market sector and also displays the brand's typical talent for efficient packaging. However, the overall length is 60 mm shorter than that of the previous model, thanks to the particularly short front overhang, and despite the considerably longer wheelbase of 2,732 mm, 70 mm more, that is even 57 mm longer than that of the new Astra hatchback. The boot of the new Astra Sports Tourer provides up to more than 608 liters of useful storage space with the rear seatbacks upright, and up to more than 1,634 liters when folded.